All right, y'all, it's time. A couple hundred miles on the Subaru, and the first thing that really stood out to me is how quiet it is. I want it a little louder. I have the microphone hooked up. I just started the Subaru a couple of seconds ago, and it already quieted down from a full cold start. But this is stock. It's quiet. It's nice. It's got a rumble. So now it's time to bring these boxes over to my friend who's going to help me connect all of this and get it installed into the car. This is a valved performance exhaust system, so with a click of a button, I can make it louder, I can make it quieter. So check out what this thing sounds stock, and at the very end, we're going to compare the two. My car's up in the air. We unpacked everything. These are all the pieces. No, it does not come with instructions. So we'll see how it goes.